Yun! In fairness, ang ganda. Malinis. Hello peeps and hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Daring Zed reaction video. Nagawa natin na reaction video nung nagkaroon ng audition sa AGT 2024 ang L6. And this time, nakasama sila sa quarter finals. Ang kanilang kinanta ay Rewrite the Star from The Greatest Showman. So, yun ang gagawin natin ng chika for today's video. And syempre, kung bago pa lang sa aking channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment down there. Tignan natin kung hanggang saan lalaban ng L6 dito. So, huwag natin patagalin pa. Let's go, sir. Okay.
It's not a secret I try to hide. I know you want me. So don't keep saying I
ang taray nung ano.
You claim it's not in the cards.
Yung harmony nila, harmonization nila, nakakaloka yun. Wala na silang backtrack. Boses na lang nila. Okay. Yun. In fairness, ang ganda. Malinis. Go. Ito ha, super linis, plakadong plakado, harmony, and yung mga taas ng boses nila, ang linis ng bonggang bongga. Wow. Nice. Wow. Oh my gosh. Goosebump to. Sa mga nagawa ko kasi sila ng marami reaction video sa The Voice pa lang, Next Generation. Ito yung super linis. Wala kang makikitang kalat. Wala kang maririnig na may mali. As in, plakadong plakado. Oh my goodness. I would say super improved. Magaling na sila noon pa, pero mas perfect nila ang kanilang blending. Marami kasi sila at the same time pa nagsama-sama. Minsan na overpower na ng boses nila, pero ito super galing. Oh my gosh. Galing! So this is it. Yun yung performance ng L6, Rewrite the Star from The Greatest Showman. So I would say, ito yung super plakado, super linis, and powerful na performance ng L6. So good luck at sana makapasok kayo sa semifinals at sa finals. Oo, gano'n. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!